Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up a dropshipping store using Printify and connecting it to Etsy. So here's Etsy. This is my shop manager listings page. As you can see, I've already got multiple items for sale on here, and these are coming directly from Printify. So basically, Printify allows you to create the products that are then sent direct to the customer through a marketplace when they buy on a marketplace like Etsy, for example. So the service itself is completely free to start. I think they offer a trial package or free package, so you can. And they also have a premium and enterprise package. But to start out, you can easily just select the free plan. And from here, you can go to your catalog. Let me pull up the catalog. This is where you can design the products. So I'm just going to store. This is my designed on Printify. So I can simply click on this. You can see I've created a canvas print of one of my photographs for sale on Printify. So it's really easy to create the products itself. Just go to catalog, select what you want to make. They've got so many different options. You can make a t-shirt, you can make swimwear, shoes, but I'm more interested in home and living. So I want to create canvas prints of my artwork, right? I'm a photographer living in Thailand, and I have a lot of beautiful photos that I want to put onto canvas wraps. So that's what I can do right here. I can select the wood canvas, for example. And this is the seller that's going to be creating the products. As you can see, the price starts at $39 and shipping 21. It takes about 3 business days and come from Latvia. So if I want to start this design, I just click start design. And then I can choose from my library. I want to this print. I simply place photo on the canvas print. I can expand it out and save product right there. That's all there is to it. Then you can connect your Etsy store or your eBay store directly to Printify. So I go to connections, or my account, my stores, sorry. Here's the different stores that I have. As you can see, I've got 18 products listed for sale on Etsy. Can do the same on eBay. And they also offer connections to Shopify, Squarespace, Wix, WooCommerce, all these different platforms. But I'm mostly focused on Etsy because it is the largest marketplace pretty much available online, totally free to use. So I've already connected up my store. And when I create a listing, where are my listings? I can go here, click on the store. Here's all of my products. And all of this information is going to be copied directly over to Etsy. Usually it only takes about 5 to 10 seconds to list it on the Etsy marketplace. And from here, I have to go and I have to click on the listing. All of the photos are already available on my Etsy store. I can add a video if I want to, which I'm not going to. Fill out some more information and scroll down. Everything here is good. And then you're going to want to select Printify right here under production partners so they know that it's coming from the drop shipper. You can easily add a new production partner right there. And then make sure to add some tags, keywords that people are going to be searching for to find your canvas print in this example. So I put in photography, island, beach, Thailand, all of these keywords. And there's also a tool you can use called Allura, which will allow you to pull up popular keywords that have high search volume and ideally low competition. So let's say I want to search for island, for example, here. It's calculating the results right now. And you can see here, these are the keywords that it pulled up. I want to search for keywords with low competition and high search volume. So that's where we can do that. It's running a little bit slow right now, so I think I'm just going to type them in manually. You can easily find different keywords using this tool. I would add probably tropical there. But this part is not too important. I just want to show you how it works. Here's where you can fill out your price. It's already set a price here. You can also offer free shipping. If it's over, say $35, then the customer is going to get free shipping. A lot of times they don't want to pay, 20 plus dollars for shipping, which is what it says here. I'm offering shipping for 21 bucks. They say it's too expensive, so they recommend lowering the price of shipping, which I can do if I want to. But here I can easily see how much it's going to cost for shipping to different countries. So if I were to ship from Latvia to the United States, it's going to be $132, $54 shipping. So I want to lower those prices, but for now, I'm just going to click, and it will save the changes that I made to that listing. And as you can see here, I already have multiple canvas prints, photos. I've got plenty of other photos I can add. And what it looks like. This is what it looks like live on Etsy. And if I'm understanding this correctly, through Printify, if somebody were to order this canvas print, then it's just going to send straight to the customer. I don't have to touch anything. I don't have to deal with anything. It's just sent straight to the customer. That is, in essence, what drop shipping is all about, right? They're not going to send it to me and then I have to pay to ship it to the customer, just straight, direct to customer. So very easy. And as you can see, it's a beautiful photo that I took here in Koh Samui. And I want to start selling more of my artwork through Facebook. This is my main platform that I use for selling artwork, right? So if I come over to my Facebook page here, this is how you're going to be selling your artwork. It is, I haven't gotten any sales yet. I've just started promoting it. But this is my Facebook store. So if somebody were to want to buy this beautiful photograph on a canvas print, they can easily come to my store and then click on View Website, which will take them straight to the Etsy listing where they can buy this canvas print, right? And this is a good way to drive traffic to your Etsy store, especially if you have a lot of followers like I do on my Facebook page. And over time, as you're continuing to drive more traffic to your store, you're going to be getting more views, potentially more sales as well. So I can go to my stats right here. And as you can see, I'm starting to drive traffic to the store. Not a lot of traffic, but it's better than nothing. And you can see here that most of this traffic is coming from Facebook, social media, and some direct traffic, not very much from Etsy or SEO. So I need to figure out how to fix that up. But for now, I'm mostly driving traffic straight from Facebook. And you can also run ads on Etsy as well, which I personally would not recommend, although I have not tried it yet. But mostly I'm all about organic marketing. So I don't really want to pay for ads if I can avoid it. That's why I'm doing it straight through my Facebook page. So if I go to my Hope Photography page here, this is the store on Facebook, which I may want to redesign a little bit. But I want to show you how I'm driving traffic to the store. First of all, it's at the very top of my page under the featured section. So when someone goes to my Facebook page, they will see the store immediately. And from here, I can simply scroll down to one of the posts that I've made. So there it is. That's the photo that I just showed you on Etsy, the canvas print. I've got short little description. It says, click on the image to browse my store, and a link to my YouTube channel because I want to get more subscribers on my YouTube channel as well. So all I have to do is click on the photo, just like most people normally do because they want to see a larger version of it. And it takes them straight to my store where they can browse through my other artwork. They can then click to go to my Etsy store and buy this for $78.36. I have a couple different prices, $42, $50. So very easy to start driving traffic to your store. Keep in mind, I have about 45,000 followers on my Facebook page. And you can check out the other video that I made showing how I reached over 100 million people in about 3 months on Facebook by sharing viral video content. That's how I was able to grow my following to over 45,000. And also I can boost this post, but I don't see why I would ever do that because it's already reached like 15,000 people. Why am I going to spend money with Facebook ads to show it to like another 500 to 1,000? It doesn't make sense. Of course, you can do more targeting and reach the perfect people, but I don't really see the point because if I bring up my insights, you can see it's reached 6,100 people already. And link clicks, I've gotten about 28 link clicks and 72 clicks to look at the photo. So more and more people over time are looking at my photography, and I don't see any reason why I can't sell canvas prints using this method. And as you can see, a lot of my photos are getting tons of engagement. Pretty much every single one of them have over 300 likes, lots of reshares. So just like anything, including YouTube, consistency is the key, right? You need to continually be posting content. And over time, it's going to compound. You're going to get more followers. You're going to get more views, more subscribers, possibly even ad revenue if we're talking about YouTube. And that's exactly what I'm doing here. This one, let's see how many link clicks this particular photo had. It reached 15,000 people in a short period of time. And it got 21 link clicks and 230 other clicks. What about this one? This one has a lot of views as well. 26,000 people this one reached. 0 Facebook ads, keep in mind. This is all organic marketing. Got 43 link clicks and about 500 other clicks. So just by sharing my artwork on Facebook, I am getting people to click and then sending them straight to my Etsy store where they can buy a canvas print of my artwork. So that's essentially how it's done. This is one of the best ways to create a store selling products and drop shipping direct to customer. Use Etsy, which is one of the largest marketplaces online for products for Facebook Shop. So hopefully this helped you. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm going to be making more of these informative, valuable videos for viewers and subscribers. And also, I'd really appreciate it if you join the channel and help me as a monthly member. So you can basically donate to support the channel. I'd really appreciate it. Take care, stay safe. Peace from Thailand.